Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 9th, 2025, and we're diving into VinFast's first quarter financial results for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. VinFast, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, has just released its Q1 2025 financial results. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. VinFast reported total revenues of $656.5 million for Q1 2025. How does this compare to previous quarters, John?
VinFast's revenue increased by 149.9% year over year, primarily driven by a surge in EV sales. However, compared to the previous quarter, there was a slight decline of 1.2%, which can be attributed to seasonal factors and the Lunar New Year in Vietnam.
And what about profitability?
Despite the revenue growth, VinFast reported a net loss of $712.4 million. The gross margin improved to -35.2% from -79.1% in the previous quarter, indicating better cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on VinFast's operational efficiencies and their future outlook?
VinFast has made significant strides in reducing R&D costs by 22.3% and SG&A expenses by 42.6% compared to the previous quarter. This is part of their strategic transition to a dealership model, which is expected to streamline operations further. Looking ahead, VinFast aims to double its global deliveries in 2025, focusing on expanding its footprint in key markets.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. VinFast has been active in launching new models and expanding its market presence. Can you tell us more about these initiatives?
Absolutely. VinFast introduced the EC van and a new electric bus model, the EB6, in Vietnam. They're also expanding in Europe and North America by transitioning to a dealership model, which includes closing some direct-to-customer showrooms and signing new dealership agreements in France and Germany.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 26.6. How did VinFast perform in this regard?
VinFast reported an actual EPS of 30 cents, missing the forecast by $4. This reflects the ongoing challenges in achieving profitability despite improvements in operational efficiencies.
Management commentary and strategic vision. What insights did the management provide regarding their strategic vision and future plans?
Madam Thuy, Chairwoman of VinFast, expressed optimism about the progress made, highlighting the improved operating leverage and cost structure. CFO Ms. Lan Nguyen emphasized the inflection point in their business, driven by economies of scale. They plan to launch next-generation platforms in Q3 2025, which should enhance product quality and affordability.
Key takeaways. In summary, VinFast has shown impressive revenue growth and operational improvements despite the net loss. Their strategic focus on market expansion and new product launches positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing VinFast's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on VinFast's performance in the comments below.